John and Caren&John.
Did you play the video?
It's recording now.
My
Also, if you can put the magnet down next to and look in there, if you can get the screw. I'll take this one here first. Yeah, you have the screw. You just bring it out. Oh.
Oh, I'm scared, my love.
Don't be. It's like that. Oh, my love. This was the first one. You see, it's good. We cannot get it out in
We're
another
going
ways.
to find out how we get the parts of the car.
Hej. Jeg ringede ud i Torgård. Der er sådan nogle specielle biler, der kan gå over det. Vi har sådan nogle prøver.
And this one. This one, I'm... Oh, Mr. Jørgensen.
Yeah, but also the other thing.
Oh, yeah.
This one here. You can just put it in here.
Nah, I can carry.
Also banana.
Nah, the other bag. My God, you want to bring the banana.
Yeah.
Can you help me to open?
Yes.
Tak.
Indgangen er overfor.
Okay.
Maybe we have to go down here.
It's cute.
It says Toyota is up in this area.
Oh, that's the entrance. 1,000 per set. Ano yun? Yeah, it is. Maybe I can arrive.
Det her på selv.
Oh my G. So we are...
You have the camera.
Yeah. We can see how cars look in this area. This called... What, my love, is the place? Scrap.
Yeah, scrap cars, I would say.
Scrap cars.
Danish word.
We're here to find the radio parts for our car. We're planning to switch. There's something wrong. Then it's funny to see all of these cars like this.
Yeah.
Wow. This area is Toyota.
Yeah, we are looking for it. I think it's all the way up here and maybe over there. I've not seen any yet.
This is the tallest way I can give.
I can do higher.
Hi, thank you so much, my husband. You're the best. Like this, everything is gone out. Not really. Still have some parts.
Take pictures of this. This is more fun.
Video. See how they manage the scrap cars. That's how they do that. Is that magnet? The big magnet?
Ah, yeah. Or maybe.
Yeah, and then they put on the top of the car. I mean, the roof.
Yeah, Toyota.
Oh. Where?
Toyota.
Ah, okay.
We have to find, I think it's a black one down here.
It's fun. Is this one?
You can see the black one down like ours.
Now it's cold. But then, I'm ready. But he's talking. Which one? No. Is this one?
Aye.
Where?
This one.
This?
This one.
Oh. Okay. Is this what we want? Yeah.
You can go in the other side, then maybe you can see that we have to help each other.
Yeah. We can. Oh my God. Yeah, and like this?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, it is. What is this? Nice.
Right, but I think if we open
Why you have the key?
it lie here.
Oh.
Wait, my love. I check here. So this one goes in here like that. Let's see here. Which one is plus? This one is plus.
The red one.
Take this one first. And then we take this one here. And then I try to turn on.
That can give the power? Just like power bank?
Yeah. So we try to see if something is on here. Come. There's no power. It's not enough. But I'm sure this is working, my love. Absolute sure.
So same?
Yeah.
Okay.
Never mind. We take this off again and then we sit in. You sit in the other side. I sit here and then you sit in.
Okay. I'll go in the other side. You go in the other side.
What we do?
How I can help you?
This have to be taken off. What's the hell? You have not taken anyone else here. I think this one here is good. Try to, yeah. Yeah, exactly. And then you just pull. Yeah.
Wow.
In there is the 2 screws. You see? Yeah. Now we have this. Now we start. We go to the bottom. I still need this one because I want this. This one. If we take this one out.
Yeah, much better.
So then, and put it up there. Yes.
And then what's next?
This one here. What's it? I don't know since. Yeah. This plastic one. You have to get in there. Yeah. You just. Yeah. Just. What? Maybe it's better longer down here first.
Yeah, I guess so.
Yeah, see?
Wow.
Yes. Yes, my love.
Oops.
Then
you need to remove that first.
This here is better than mine. Oh, this is because there's also one here.
Yeah.
This one. Maybe we can bring this home too.
You think so?
Yeah, but of course I have to buy it.
Yeah.
But you see,
Anyways,
I don't know. But how do I get this here off?
let me try.
Yeah, can you take? Yeah, it was. Maybe there's something you have to press. Sometimes it is. Sonja, good my love. It's not nice, this one. Never mind. This we put here. So then, my love. Now we have to start finding the tools. So I need to know which one I have to use. It's not so long in there. I think maybe this here can do. It can goes in. If I said a longer
Where
one.
is the...
A longer one, yeah. Where is
No,
what?
the magnet.
The magnet is in the bag or... Oh, you put in there, okay. Now I have to find out which size this one have in there. What is this here? 7, it's more than 7. I will guess at 10 millimeter. 10 millimeter, we try this one, my love. Yeah, exactly. Oh, exactly.
This is magnet.
Yeah. Can you see the one I will just start screwing a little bit. Also here, when I screw off, it is like this. So now it got loose. Just like you saw in the video. What?
Yeah, I can see.
It's free. So room free. Also, if you can put the magnet down next to and look in there, if you can get the screw. I'll take this one here first. Yeah, you have the screw. You just bring it out. Oh.
Oh, I'm scared, my love.
Don't be. It's like that. So, my love. This was the first one. You see, it's good. We cannot get it out in other ways. See here, my love.
Okay.
Then this one here. This is the next one. I think it's free. If you can get in there, yeah, longer down, next to this, all the way down there. I take this one here out, and you have it there. Yes.
Wow.
Yeah.
Oh, I'm good in this.
Now we go down in the bottom.
So I'll put it back again.
Yeah, they're much easier down here. Did you give me the screw?
Nine?
I can take it.
Oh.
Because I have them in my pockets. So, you see, them here down here is much easier to get through. This one here.
Okay. Posing this to get and then
Don't nervous. Don't be nervous, man. Now we don't need this anymore. We take apart. Oh. We take this one off and then
we don't need the other one. So two and one here.
And two down there. So yeah. Yes. Yes.
Wow!
Oh, what is this up here?
A cord. Another.
Maybe an okay, antenna. Okay, it's just the antenna. But these can be.
Do you remember the place?
Yeah, but can also be switched.
We try first if you know.
Yeah.
Careful, it can hurt you.
Yeah.
So where we go?
We go down and pray.
We are going to pay now the parts.
Toyota.
That we
There's
get.
one more like ours.
Oh.
Can you see? But this is different.
Why?
Up on the top.
Oh.
Can you see? But this one is the same. Almost, not all.
Oh, also someone get that part though.
Yeah, but not the radio. This. But this.
Oh my God.
Yeah. Someone needed. Never mind. They make good money on this.
Yeah.
And I don't think there's any more like... Yo, there's one more.
Where?
This one, the black one here.
Maybe that's the black one you saw in Facebook.
Aye. Aye. It's the same as here, but they have taken the top part.
I told you, this is the one. I saw the bottles there. That's the one that we saw in Facebook.
Okay.
The bottle's still there.
Yeah.
Funny.
What else is here?
So, naggala-gala muna kami ng asawa ko.
But you can recognize this here. This is what I can recognize.
I recognize the length, the looks.
Okay. Not
Avensis.
Maybe this white one.
No.
This is Master. I think this is also Master. No, there's not anymore. I can see there's no more like ours. No, never mind.
Okay.
All these are also cool. Yaris.
Mona said this one is beautiful.
Oh, okay. It is.
This is the scrap place. Yeah. We are going to pay now. As we can see, all cars are scrap.
Are you coming?
Yeah, I am. Are you coming? I'm coming. The office is there. We will see how much it costs. That one. So many cars. Gang entrance, and this is the best car I've seen. The scrap car. Difference. They are not us.
He wants to talk to you.
Yeah, but I'm scared. It seems he liked me.
Og hvis der er mange lande, så er jeg bare kommet igen.
Selvfølgelig.
Der står masser af dem.
Det gør der.
There are some cars that sell lots of, and then there are some cars that don't sell very much. But you know, places like this, there are maybe 20 of these in Denmark.
Wow.
Because it's a good business, you can see. And they also scrap it so they get money for the iron.
Some things should be like this in Philippines.
Yeah. But in Denmark we have a system where
How it goes? Let's say you have the scrap car. You need to sell to that company.
to what company?
There.
This car, let's say, cannot anymore.
Oh.
I can go out here and they will give me 2,500. This is
And
like
then
pent.
they are the ones.
It's like pent on the bottles. There's 2,500 on a car, but there is some rules. There has to be number plate on, and it has to be able. Now, I don't even have to be able to drive. They just have to be number plate, so it's registered. Then you will get 2,500. When I come out here with it, he will give me 2,500. Then he. Oh my God! I think we can go this way. We try a new way. And then he will send into the motor office, and he will get the 2,500 from the motor. It's the government who pays me the money. It's not him. He just give me them, and then he get them from in there. also have to empty all the oil and batteries and all these things. All the things that they say are polluting, you know.
The polluted.
You cannot stand with this. See this here forest? It's almost
I
closed.
like. And the color change now. I can see the leaves.
Yeah.
Also, Tesla can find there.
I don't know.
Tesla cars.
Many things, there's nothing Tesla is still so new. I think it was out here, even if the car is old, most of the things is working.
The name is Hammershøj Autoophug.
Yeah. But we don't know for sure if this one is working, of course. But
We will see.
yeah. Oh, we really come in the forest for now.
Yeah, I like. Galing ah.
Would you like to live in a place like that?
Yeah.
So very little people.
And not polluted. You know,
No, it's not polluted at
you
all.
always have
You know,
fresh
there are
air.
houses here, but not much.
I mean, you always have the fresh air.
Yeah. But it's nice, you know. Most of it is nice.
I can see.
I always think of Denmark like these trees that are round in the top, you know, like waves.
Not messy way. You want some water?
Yeah, thank you.
You're welcome. I want to see the potatoes.
Oh, okay. But I don't know if we come to them again.
Maybe. Let's see. I can
But
have it.
potato, we can go out there one of the days, my love. Remember when we were up there, Hammershøj, I told you about all the potatoes. There you will see potatoes. This we saw over there is just 1/10 of what they have stacked up in piles. Then I can go to Hansen and get the scooter today. Maybe this is better.
It's okay, my love. Anything.
Then tonight we can go up to Hammershøj.
The place which we can see a lot of windmills.
Yeah, a lot of potatoes.
Okay. We can do that.
I don't know what they have had here.
Corn before.
You see how they cut it. Do you think it is mice?
Yeah.
It looks like.
Because there's a lot of mice there, I can see. So I know it's corn before. A lot. The
You
tractor.
have to remember Denmark is a very old farmer country. Have been for 300 years. Lots of farming.
I'm glad that I've been here. Thank you, my love.
You're welcome.
I saw many things.
Still funny that 3 years ago you didn't know about this place.
I don't know that Denmark exists. Not on my mind. have to find it.
Come to the so we can see the lake. I think.
Yeah, in this way.